What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Grace. How are you all doing today? In today's tutorial, I'm about to show you or teach you how I grew my hair this year. Okay, my secret weapon. This is going to help your hair grow if you do it twice or once a month. This deep conditioning is going to grow your hair massively. So without wasting much of your time, let me put you through the ingredients. First of all, you need your coconut oil. Coconut oil is super important for this process, and coconut oil helps to add shine and prevent hair breakage and split ends. So it's super important for this. The next most important ingredient is your shea butter. Shea butter, it has an anti-inflammatory properties that might help reduce redness and scalp irritation by providing healing effects without clogging the pores. Okay, you need to get African shea butter. This one I got it from my local beauty supply, and I don't know, we kind of gonna manage it. Okay, just get your shea butter. Make sure that it's written shea butter, and that is the number 2 ingredient needed for this. The third ingredient needed is your Ayurvedic oil. This Ayurvedic oil is very good when you massage it always on your hair. It improves your hair texture, and it also prevents premature gray hairs. Okay, you need that. So another thing you need is your jojoba oil. Jojoba oil has vitamin C, vitamin B, and vitamin E. It straightens hair, and it also can prevent hair loss and promote hair thickness. And it could also be a remedy for your dandruff. The next powerhouse you'll be needing is your Jamaican castor oil. We know what castor oil can do, and we know what extra virgin oil can do. Extra virgin olive oil can do to our hair. So this oil, the last one that doesn't have a name is my aloe vera oil. I made it. If you want to know how I made the oil, let me know. I'm going to do it for you. So we're going to mix these oils together. How we're going to do it, we're just going to steam it and make sure that it melts. While I'm melting, I would have put it in the microwave and let it do whatever I want to do there, but no, microwave is going to destroy some of the properties I'm trying to save. Okay, so I'm just going to go through the heat method and dissolve all this oil and mix them together. Now let's get this mixture together. The first thing I used was going with my Carol's daughter hair smoothie. I put it into my blender, into that ninja blender you're seeing there. Then I add my aloe vera juice, leave-in juice or leave-in conditioner juice. Okay, the next thing I added was my fermented rice milk. If you want to know how I do that, let me know in the comment section below. And then I added all the oils I mixed, a whole lot of them. I added vinegar to it, apple cider vinegar, and then I added water, a little bit of water, and I blended everything together. Baby, I mean, this hair food, I call it hair food because it's that what it is. We need food to grow, and you forget that our hair needs all these products for our hair to grow too. So after blending it, it made it look like that, and I transferred it into my kumkum or my container. Let me just show you what it is like. Now for storage, you can put it in a container, in an airtight container, and store it in your fridge for about 1 month. Okay, so when you make plenty like this, you can use it for the next month, and then you can leave it you cannot, I don't think you should leave it unrefrigerated because of the properties, the liquid stuff it has. So because it's going to get bad because of the rice water and the aloe vera juice added to it. So you got to put it into your freezer and let it stay there for 1 month. Make sure you use it for the next 1 month, okay? And that's what I would have to say. Now this is what we are working with. This is the kind of ajakaja hair we are working with, okay? My hair is super dry, it's just crying for help. So how you're going to apply this is, first of all, make sure you damp your hair, make sure your hair is a little bit wet. And then once you wet it, what I'm wetting my hair with is olive oil, okay, let me say my hair mixture oil with some rice water in it, and then rice milk in it, and then I now started applying this on my hair, and instantly when it touched my hair, instantly it started feeling super, moisturized and well, my every strand of my hair was jumping for joy and happiness. They'd be like, "Mama, where have you been all this while?" Well, so after I might have finished massaging it into my hair, I use my hand to comb it before anything, and because I'm reducing the amount of times I comb my hair, because that also helps to pull your hair or to make your hair make you to lose hair, okay? So I just twist it in a bun, twist just after each section I went in sections, okay? So each section I just had like a loose twist on it, and I'm here just showing you how the strands of hair looks like after this product, or this my hair food has been given. When after my hair has been well fed, with a lot of nutrients, vitamins, hair oils, hair growth oils, my hair started feeling like itself again. And once I was done with it, I just packed everything, and I had to put it in cover my hair with a nylon bag and covered it with my net, and I went to bed with it. Yes, I went to bed with it. I wanted all those stuff to go deep into my hair and start working there. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. If you want me to do a tutorial on how I got the rice milk, the fermented rice milk, you let me know. If you want me to also teach you how I did my aloe vera leave-in conditioner juice, let me know. Your girl is at your beck and call, because this tutorial has been, a lot of people have been asking after it, so I decided to do it for you all. Okay, I hope you share it, you like it, you subscribe, and also just comment down below what you want me to do next. Okay, I love you guys so much. I will just let you watch the rest of the tutorial, enjoy it, and I just want to say thank you so much. See you in my next tutorial. Bye.
See a better day. Oh, come in. So get ready for the sun. Oh, yeah, girl, I promise it will come. I have always loved you. In my mind, I thought you knew. Though the rain falls down, I will be around. Oh, let's go running in the rain. All the love we had Let's go running in the rain. I'll be. Let's go running in the rain. I'll be. Girl, I love you. Oh, let's go running in the rain. I'll be running. Girl, I love you in the rain. Let's go running.